What's up guys, Kyle from UTV Source. We just got these new Alpha Rs in from Metal Effects, wrapped in Obor 35-inch RocScrapers, the super stickies. We're gonna get them mounted on the Pro R. So yeah, let's get the Pro R rolled in and let's get them done. All right, so these are the new Alpha Rs. The biggest deciding factor for me is usually looks, and these things look killer. Other than that, I did get a wider offset, which is what they call the 4+4, which is about 3 inches wider per side. They do come with the valve stems. And the main reason I choose beadlocks is because, you know, as you guys can see, pretty aggressive driver. That way it gives me the confidence knowing that it's not gonna roll a bead and I'm gonna stay safe. You can go lower tire pressures. When you want to rock crawl or go into a softer terrain, you can bring that PSI way lower than you can without beadlocks. The type of driving I primarily used to drive was dunes, and you would only see paddles on my cars. Now, started seeing sand hollow, a lot more dirt, heavy rock terrain, and these RocScrapers are going to be like little fingers on those rocks. It's going to crawl right up everything. There's two different color options on the Metal Effects Alpha R. I went with the gloss black DDT. They do a little double dark tint powder coat finish over the whole thing, which gives it a little bit of a, you know, protecting over that machining, that back cutting on that wheel. A356 aluminum T6 heat treated, which means they're super strong and lightweight. Pro R lug pattern, which is also H2 super villain. They also come in the Alpha 6R, which fits the Maverick R. One of my favorite things on the Metal Effects wheel is the craftsmanship. My biggest thing is the alignment of all the logos. You know, you have an inset where your valve stem goes, where it can't get knocked off. It's protected in there. And the hugest thing is every one of these beadlock bolts has a helicoil inside the wheel. So you're not running a hardened bolt into an aluminum wheel. So that gives you less chance of stripping out your wheel. And don't forget, you can get this whole setup, the Metal Effects wheels, the RocScraper 35-inch Obors, all on UTV Source. Life's a ride, make it your own.